the desert here in Southern California.
What we're trying to do here is set a Highliner up next to a motorcycle jump, have the motorcycler backflip over a plane flying under the motorcycler and me on the Highliner.
I can do backflips in my sleep at this point, but when you're throwing a plane underneath you and the distraction of that's definitely gonna mess with me. I think it would mess with anybody. It happens before where the bike cuts out, and if that happens and me and the plane collide, it's game over.
So the visual references are really important. When I'm setting up, I've got 10, 15 feet on either side of the airplane, going to either be hitting metal or my friends. The precision is really, really important.